So this is what I realized a long, long time ago. I just had this thought because I was seeing it, and I was like, look, most of these wholesalers and even agents who are bringing me deals, but they wanted to take these deals down themselves. They couldn't close on the deals because they didn't know how to raise capital. And honestly, when I started, I was working full time in corporate America. I was very busy. I was managing rehabs. I started building a rental portfolio. I didn't really have the time or the desire, to be quite honest, to go out and do all this deal flow marketing and to talk to sellers and do all that kind of stuff. That wasn't my strong suit. So I said, hey, I'm just going to figure out the money side of this thing so they can bring their deals to me. And that really works. So I decided, to let other people focus on marketing for the most part. And I would just be the guy with the money available to close every real deal. Now, this wasn't my money at all. Like I said, I haven't really gotten my story, but I started while I was living in an apartment. I had zero money. It was a credit card to buy my first house. And I was just able to begin raising private money, and I knew how to acquire hard money lending as well. So I was able to begin to capitalize on other people's efforts to find these deals, going back 10, 12, 14 years ago, properties that I still own to this day. But sadly, most of these wholesalers and many of the agents that I worked with 13, even 14 years ago, they're still stuck, right? They're still stuck wholesaling and unable to raise capital for their deals. And that makes me sad because if somebody, you know, got into real estate for the same reason I did, which was to create wealth and to create passive income and, to create this kind of lifestyle for myself and my family that I've dreamed of. And I know other people want to create their own version of that for themselves and their family, but they're not able to. And they're so close. They're so incredibly close, but they haven't figured out this aspect of raising money.